Here's how to set up lead notification emails in Unbounce. Right here in your Unbounce account, simply click one of the landing pages you've created to open the page overview. Under the page overview, go to the integrations section. In the integrations area, under native integrations, you'll find email notifications. Click on that. After clicking, a new window will appear. This is where you can set up your email leads to be sent to one or more email addresses. It's very simple. Just input all the email addresses that you want to receive lead notifications from your Unbounce account. For example, I'll enter one email address here. You can also customize the subject line for the email you'll receive. Once you've entered all the information and made any necessary changes, click Confirm Email Settings and you're done. Your email notification is now set up. From now on, whenever you generate leads or collect lead data, Unbounce will automatically send those details to the email addresses you added. And that's how to set up lead notification emails in Unbounce.